everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about some suggested flavor combinations for asparagus. So if you're looking for something different to do with asparagus, hopefully this information will help you out and give you some ideas to try. How about pairing fresh asparagus with avocado, lime, mint, and olive oil? How about pairing it with basil and olives? How about pairing it with bell peppers, eggs, garlic, lemon juice, and thyme? That sounds like an omelet to me. How about pairing it with citrus, garlic, herbs like parsley and tarragon, and olive oil? Couscous and orange is an interesting pair with asparagus. How about mixing it with fava beans and mint? How about asparagus with garlic, ginger, scallions, sesame and sesame oil, soy sauce, and vinegar? That sounds like a great stir fry coming up. How about asparagus with ginger, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, and soy sauce? Try asparagus with goat cheese, lemon, olive oil, and pistachios for some extra crunch. How about asparagus with hazelnuts, Parmesan cheese, and parsley? That sounds good. Try pairing asparagus with lemon Parmesan and make a risotto with it. How about asparagus with lemon pecans and rice? That's another interesting combo. And how about asparagus with orange and onions? That's different. And asparagus with sesame and tofu. And if you don't eat tofu, how about chicken? That would work too. Well, I do hope these little quick suggestions help you out. Let me know your questions and comments below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.